Welding work. This illustration shows the precautions for arc welding. First, ensure that you wear the prescribed protective equipment properly. There will be sparks, so always wear gloves, apron and safety boots. Arc welding produces a fine dust called fume, so wear a dust respirator. Welding machinery uses high-voltage electricity. Always inspect the equipment to be used, including checking the circuit breaker as well as whether or not electric wires are exposed at cable connections. The cable coating is damaged, and the equipment is properly grounded. Key safety points. Is protective equipment such as goggles and leather gloves used? Are the workers appropriately licensed? Is the circuit breaker operating properly? Is the automatic electric shock prevention device working properly? Are workers working away from wet areas and in dry clothes? Are workers working away from areas exposed to rain? Is the name of the person in charge displayed? Is the system grounded? Is the cable connection taping in proper condition? Have loose cables been protected? Has the ground clamp been connected near the welding location? Is the holder undamaged?